We're just gonna wait. We're gonna wait until it makes a noise so I can get it on a camera for proof that this is actually happening. My Wine Enthusiast 36 bottle wine fridge from Costco. So it has been a little more than a year. I bought it in March 2022. Now, if you guys haven't seen that video, please check over and check that out. And I did a lot of research on my pros and cons were. I got a video for that, so check that out. But I'm not very happy with my wine fridge right now, to be honest. All right, same place. This wine fridge is here, same place as where I put it. It has held the temperature okay. And here, let's come in a little closer. Not too bad, not too loud. I don't know if anyone else has experienced this with their Wine Enthusiast 36 bottle wine cooler, if it starts to make really loud cracking noises. I would say 85% of the time it is very quiet. Then maybe 12% of the time it makes a light gurgling noise, which I really am not too upset about. It's like the last 3% that it just started up doing. I think in the last, I would want to say last 4 months, I've been just like putting up with it, but now it's happening more frequently and I'm like kind of concerned. And of course, now that I'm in front of it with the camera on, it's not going to crack. Do it. I know what you do. I live with you 24/7. Now you get camera shy? I'm still trying to catch it in the act. I've heard it crack so many times already. Yes. That was one of the cracks. I have to pretend I'm cleaning so it doesn't think I'm watching it, but that was a crack. I got the 2-year warranty. This is why I bought it through Costco and not through Wine Enthusiast. So I went to the Costco site. I was able to log in. I was able to go back to my order and there's an option for me to return or return and replace. And I said like, hey, I want to return it because it's making these noises. So I got a confirmation that they're going to send me a replacement, which is awesome. I now have 2 fridges. So they made the delivery of my replacement, which I just got, and I haven't really turned it on yet. So now we're gonna whoop them. I've been thinking about good times, so tell me all your worst lies. I believe them if I try, for the sake of time. All right, here we go again. It says 71. Let's get it down to like 52.
Don't blow my high, I'm on that carpet ride. I've been swerving, I'm a servant to my magic side. I was in a magic city, going 50-50. I bet it all up on that red and they got real shifty. Pity, pity, it's a petty crime. You see how people change their vibe when it's green up on their mind. Kevin fed a line, but fuck if I know. I'm searching for them high.
She is empty. So I had Costco come and get my fridge and it was so seamless. We are getting my old fridge out of the way. They sent me the replacement one immediately and I was kind of like curious of when they were going to pick up my old fridge, and it was good actually because I used that box for the new fridge to put my old one in there. And they came, the guy took it out for me. It was very, very easy.
Now, I've had this new fridge for maybe 2 months now. It does make some gurgling noises, same like as that last one. But it hasn't made any cracking noises so far. I know this is very early on. And like, I'm just being optimistic and hopefully it doesn't go down that same path. Like, why did I go back to Costco and just get a replacement? I think one, because the price of the fridges have all gone up, so that original one, if I were to like get it again, would be $50 more than what I originally had bought it for. And I think all the wine fridges have just gone up in price. So I right now think it's fine. It does what it needs to do, keeps my wine at a constant temperature. I would also just say, like, you know, you don't have to put it right in the middle of your house or your apartment like I do. You could like put it in a closet, your laundry room, maybe your garage, and then you won't even be bothered by that noise, like the humming. But you know, it's really not that big of a deal for me. And so as long as it just doesn't make those like loud cracking noises, please. But yes, maybe in the future I'll get something nicer, bigger, you know, grow into it for my next stage, a bigger purchase. But yeah, hopefully you guys can learn from me. Maybe, you know, this is not the wine fridge for you. Maybe there are other wine fridges. Hey, if there's other wine companies that want to send me a wine fridge to review, I'm happy to do so. So yeah, that's the update, you guys. And I hope you guys glean some insights. Toodles.